as you all have seen here, that we all adults have come in Tasling Secretariat office regarding our some special issues which has not been sorted out till now. Actually, the thing is, it is very long pending demand which we have started since 2020, and even before that, all those things that that ad hoc teacher has to face in this in our state. So all this kind of long pending demand which has not been met by the higher authority. So last year, 2020, 14 September, we have also submitted one memorandum to our Honorable Education Minister Sir, our ACS, and also to our student wing president sir. So still, what we have hoped was there was at that particular memorandum we have laid our special demands and grievances, and that was the government decision regarding 8 years regularization policy. So we have nothing like we don't have anything against to say in that, but those 8 years regularization process will only cover some sections of the ad hoc society, which was really injusticiable, because because like we have teachers who have been working since 2019 and 20 itself. So that particular policy or that particular regularization decision will only benefit a certain section and giving disparity among the rest of the others. So in this particular memorandum, we have clearly mentioned to kindly modify those policy. If regular is based on 8 years, then it should be a permanent policy which should be passed in the Sikkim Legislative Assembly itself. Otherwise, if for the remaining, if there is a possibility of interview, then it should be conducted as early as possible. Reminding main thing is the time factor and the age factor, which we all have been going through. So, if that is not possible, then we have laid our particular demand. So today in this particular scenario, our second demand has not been met. So we are forcefully we are bound to come here to express our grievances to our highest authority, but since we did not meet anyone, so in our second demand it was clearly mentioned that it should be a continuous service till regularization. Existing ad hocs, all existing ad hocs should not left with insecurity, job insecurity. It should be properly addressed. But since, as you all have known, that a few days back there was a notification regarding the re-interview, and also today it was clearly confirmed that the particular notification which has come from the department that interview will be conducted. See, we all have been through interview. That is our main point. In 2020, we all have been through interview. So again, why are we always have to go through all this kind of interview again and again? So if interview is only solution, then okay, we'll also stand for that solution, but it should be for regular job, not for the ad hoc.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.